The device can be loaded with 3 memory cards to TF cards,
2张 TL 卡
1 SD card,
1张
and 1 SIM card.
SIM 卡 装好之后
After installation, the display screen is first connected to the CVBS.
到 CVBS 它可以接8个摄像头
The device can be connected to 8 cameras.
一大摄像头
Channel 1 is for ADAS camera.
接到通道1
The ADAS camera is connected to channel 1 and then installed in the front view windshield of the car to observe the road ahead and make a DAS alert. Channel 2 is for DMS.
通道 DMS
DMS receives channel 2 and is installed in the cab facing the driver in order to determine whether the driver is smoking, talking on the phone, or driving fatigue.
正对司机为了判断司机是否抽烟、打电话或者疲劳驾驶
Then it is followed by 6 ordinary cameras,
通道3
and channel 3 is connected to the left side camera of the front left of the car,
就左转向当车辆
and the information on the left side of the vehicle can be observed when the vehicle is turned left. The channel 4 is connected to the right turn camera, which is installed on the right side of the front of the vehicle and observes the situation on the right side of the vehicle when the vehicle turns right. The 5th channel is connected to the left side, and the blind spot on the left side of the vehicle is observed.
装到车的左侧中间观察车辆左侧盲区
And the 6th channel is installed on the right side of the car to observe the blind spot on the right side of the vehicle.
观察右侧盲区
The 7th channel is installed into the cabin of the car and is used to observe the cargo in the car.
装到第7路它装到车的中央观察货物情况
The 8th channel is for the rear camera. The rear side is observed when the vehicle is reversing to see the situation behind the vehicle.
装到车的后光当车辆倒车时观察后光路况然后装好之后
Once installed, use the vehicle's power supply to power it up, or use a cigarette lighter to power it up to 12 volts. After turning on the power, you hear a beeping sound. You need to swipe the I button, swipe the card to turn on, and hear the beeping sound again after swiping the card the device turns on. After the device started, you can connect the vibration cushion.
连接振动坐垫 这是车的前后左右
The display screen is the image of the front and rear left and right of the car. IN3 is connected to the left steering of the car.
Your safety is our priority.
When he comes into contact with 12 volts high level, channel 3 will enlarge the blind spot on the left side of the car.
Safe trip.
当阴山接触到12伏时
Recognition failed. Please face the camera.
通道盘会放大然后再用车左侧的盲区车左侧的盲区监控当
When 12 volts touches IN4, channel for right steering will be enlarged. Observe the right steering of the car.
会放大观察车右转时的情况然后当
When IN5 touches 12 volts, the left dead zone is magnified.
高点名时我会放大左侧盲区观察左侧盲区情况 06接触。
Recognition failed. Please face the camera.
When the ion 6 comes into contact with 12 volts, it will zoom in on the right side to observe the situation on the right side, and when it comes into contact with the ion 7, it will zoom in on the roof camera to observe the cargo situation in the car.
观察车内货物情况，观察车内货物情况。
The device is equipped with Wi-Fi, GPS, for G after connecting to Wi-Fi, GPS, and for G, the corresponding signal will be added.
配有 WiFi、GPS 和4G 天线，GPS 天线、4G 天线。 接上之后，它会增加信号。当司机在车内，
When the driver is driving fatigue in the car or when his eyes are closed, the vibrating seat cushion will vibrate, and it will also vibrate when playing Hoshay Reminder.
闭眼时，震动会震动，然后打哈欠。
No fatigue driving.
震动周联会震动。
No phone during driving.
这边打电话。稍微配有。
The device is equipped with 2 serial ports, RS to 3 to communication, and can connect peripherals.
232通信，可以连接。
This is a tire pressure detector, which can be installed on the air core of the tire to observe the condition of the vehicle's tires in real time, and also to install a weight sensor.
把这个装在胎压的器型上，可以实时检测胎压情况，然后还可以装车载重。